I'm Kris Hanchette. I'm with EngView Systems. I'm with Marc from CutWorx. And
thanks for stopping by.
yeah, so we were having some fun here. Tell me what we have going on.
So we wanted to burn through some material, and you wanted to nest some files and show off what you guys can do. So we threw together, I think this is a table and a little literature stand, something like that.
Yep.
Yeah. Cut it out of some 1/2-inch board.
Yeah, and then what I did is I grabbed another little cube out of the library and I used that as some filler space. So, by the way, everything in here is parametric. So all we had to do is specify the material thickness. Yep. Everything auto-adjusted, the size.
Gives
so
you
you
slot
don't have to be
depth.
a structural engineer to do all this kind of stuff. So
yeah, keep it simple.
Should we pull some parts off and see what they look like?
Yeah, watch them fall out.
I like it. All right, so this is kind of cool. So you see all these parts are slotted together, and hold on just a second here.
Yep.
We've got this little bottom part of our table.
Lock it in place.
So we'll lock that in. And oop, I missed a spot here. All right, and then we can throw the top on it. And it's got little ridges on the side.
Locks that in place.
Once again, this is parametric, just right out of the library, so you like that.
Made out of paper.
Let's do a cube. There you go.
Cube.
So look at that, we got a cube. We'll put together a display later. But anyway, you can see it's kind of fun with the software, what you can do. So, Marc, how do they find out more about you?
Visit cutworx.com. What about you?
I'm EngView.com, and you're going to be able to obviously see us linked on LinkedIn. And tell me just a little bit about this table that we just cut it out on.
Oh, great, thank you. This is the Apex M. It's one of the first, one of the only linear drive cutters in this this price point. So linear drive, very smooth, very quiet, low maintenance, very accurate machine, and it's fast.
Awesome. All right, well, if you're interested in more, look us up. Man, we'd love to work with you.